Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Asus Rog Phone against the OnePlus 6T. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845 CPU. The Asus Rog Phone is clocked slightly higher. They both have 8GB of RAM, a skinned version of Android versus a clean version of Android. Which one of these phones will be the winner? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Asus Rog Phone. It has a 1080p Amoled display. It's on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has a slightly higher clocked Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 6T. It also has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the OnePlus 6T wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 6T won by a massive 5 points. In round 2, the OnePlus 6T won again, however by 1 point. As for the price difference, it is between £220 and £270 depending on which storage side you go for the OnePlus 6T. Now with the Rog Phone, I did notice there was general lag in day-to-day usage, and it's probably because the software hasn't been fully optimized, and that is quite disappointing. So it's a matter of how badly you want the Asus Rog Phone. The OnePlus 6T is very capable as it has the Snapdragon 845 CPU, and also if you want a skinned version of Android or a very clean version of Android. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including camera comparisons and battery charge comparisons. So make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.